Now if you come back to your design, you realize the fact that what you want to populate on the screen is firstly the product name, and then we then update the status based on if the status is currently true or false. So let's go ahead to come here and then say that we should set our label first, which is the product name value. Of course, you see the benefit of naming it correctly now. So just take this and put it here. I want to set the text to, that means if the user is logged in, I want to set the user to come to objects. I'll come to objects, guest property, and I'll do the property build up. Of course, I'll start with the users. Variable cloud users, cloud variable users, and from that I want to use the user ID. I'll duplicate it here, put it there so that we enter the user, users objects. So if you, that's the first one that we did, we enter this place from the users, you enter the user ID, then you are here. Now from there you should just then come into the others. So let's build a object builder for that. Just duplicate this. So you remove the one under, which is what you have built up already. So the property you need now is property orders. So I'll come to object text, the name, this one is generic, and I'll comment and change it to orders, and from there I can then go ahead to say get property again. I'll just put it and be using it again and again. So from orders, I'll then use the order ID that I have to get. Yeah. So the order ID, now don't forget I have the variable clicked order ID. Yeah. Which is the order ID that is being passed to this page as we have seen earlier. So from there I get the property I want now is the product name. So get it from text. This one is generic, because now I can see from here we enter orders and we enter the unique ID of that order, and we have access to all this. So what we need here is the property product name. You can just copy it so that you'll not be spelling small letter for capital letter because it is case sensitive. So I'll paste here, but make sure that you clean this white space. Very, very important, otherwise it will not work. Now that we have the product name, let me just set it here, and now I can just zoom out and then go ahead and test. So let's come back to our orders page, preview, list of orders. Let's come back to our products. Let's sign the user out. It's been a while I use this. Let's sign in again. The password. I'll just go to my now. Yes. Then we go to my orders. So most of the time, if that is happening, you can just refresh your page. So the entire page, like the entire Thunkable. So if you click on this, you see that we have the product name. To this have not been connected yet. If you click on this, you see that we have the product name. So let's go back to editing now. Screen track order. And now what we now need to do is, if you come back to your design, so if you come to your Thunkable, this particular order, you say that delivered is false, manufacturer receive order is false, order confirm is true, because initially it will be true, because once the user places the order, automatically the order has been confirmed, out for delivery is false. So all this you check if they are true. If they are true, you display the active image, the orange image, and if they are not true, you display the non-active image. So let's go ahead to click that. So we do it for each and every one of these status. So let's come back to our blocks, and then what we now do now is take the if control block, put it under here. So get the property, let's just duplicate this. If get property, so it's still the same thing, but property that you're just dealing with now is order placed, which is the first status. Order placed, of course, this will definitely be true all the way. So change this to, please remember to always clean the white space in front if you want to copy. So I am then going to say set image order place, order confirmed. Image order confirmed is this one, just have only circle. Set it to true circle, otherwise set it to false circle, because this only have only circle. So subsequently we are going to be dealing with circle and line. So if I come down, that is set to now. I can just duplicate this entire block and then put it under it. So this, instead of order confirmed, the next status that I have is manufacturer receive order, which is what you can see on our design screen. So manufacturer receive order, I'll put it here. So I will ensure that it doesn't have void space. So if the manufacturer receive order is true, then set image manufacturer receive order circle, then image manufacturer receive order circle. You can see the benefit of naming appropriately. So I just duplicate this, put it here under for the line. I'm doing that for the line. Duplicate this to put it here just for the line too. So I'll change this to image manufacturer receive order line and image manufacturer receive order line. So if it is true, then I set it to the true. That one is the circle, the true circle. And if it is true, set it to the true line. And if it is false, I set it to the false line, which is the inactive line. Sorry, false circle, that one is a circle. False circle. And where is the false circle? Here. False circle and false line. Alright, let's go ahead to test. Of course, we definitely know that the first one will always be active, but let us go. So if we come back, the list of orders, something is wrong here. Let's go back to our design. Main manufacturer receive order. Okay, so let's go ahead to something is wrong here. Manufacturer receive order line. If it is true, set it to, when it is false, set it to false. Right, sometimes you just have to refresh. It's just misbehaving. You can see that it's displaying properly now. So of course I have my order. So let's now go ahead to our database and change that polyester spot jacket. So manufacturer receive order, I want to change it to true, and I press enter. Yeah, I've changed it to true. So I'll go back to my list of orders, click on firebase, and you can see now that it is active. So you see that it is actually working. So